Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in office products and accessories. Today, we have something truly special for all of you who spend long hours working at a desk. We're talking about the FUZADEL Ergonomic Mouse Tray Attachment, which is undoubtedly one of the best mouse tray attachments available today. If you've ever struggled with wrist discomfort while working on your computer, you know just how important it is to have an ergonomic setup. This mouse tray attachment is designed to improve your comfort and efficiency by providing a better way to position your mouse and wrist. The ergonomic design allows for a push-pull motion that makes it easier to access your mouse while reducing strain on your wrist and arm. The soft wrist rest adds an extra layer of comfort, making it perfect for long hours of work or gaming. Installation is a breeze. You won't need to drill or make any permanent changes to your desk. The clamp-on feature makes it easy to attach to your desk, and you can adjust the height of the tray to suit your needs. The tray itself is made of high-quality plastic pads and durable metal clamps, ensuring that it can handle up to 3.3 pounds of weight. It's wear-resistant and dirt-resistant, which means it will stand up to everyday use and still look great. Another thing that sets this product apart is its versatility. It's designed to fit desks with a thickness of up to 6 centimeters, which means it will work in a variety of office setups. Whether you're working at home or in an office, this mouse tray is a great addition to your workspace. Plus, its sliding feature means you can easily pull it out when needed and slide it back under the desk when you're done, saving valuable desk space. One important thing to keep in mind is that while this product is perfect for supporting your wrist and mouse, it's not meant to support the full weight of your arm. It's designed to reduce strain on your wrist and hand, but heavy or constant pressure could potentially damage it. As long as you use it within its limits, you can enjoy a comfortable and ergonomic workspace. In conclusion, the FUZADEL Ergonomic Mouse Tray Attachment is a must-have for anyone looking to improve their desk ergonomics. It's easy to install, adjustable, and made with durable materials that ensure long-lasting use. Say goodbye to wrist pain and hello to a more comfortable and efficient workspace with this fantastic product. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great product reviews.